Welcome to the future of automotive manufacturing. I'm Dr. Schmidt, and I've been engineering luxury vehicle production for 12 years.
Each body panel requires extreme precision. These aluminum and high-strength steel components must fit together with
Robotic welding precision is unmatched by human hands. These arms position with effort. Specialized robots apply structural adhesives dispensed in precision.
Luxury vehicle buyers expect perfection. Door gaps must be uniform to 0.3 mm.
The body in white is submerged in the electrically charged paint bath. This electrodeposition process ensures the coat
Paint robots can adjust spray pattern, flow rate, and atomization 100 times per second. They react to surface variation. The clear coat protects the base color from UV, chemicals, and scratches. It creates this high gloss finish and depth, ensuring color longevity.
paint inspection remains human expertise. Our inspectors' trained eyes detect imperfections smaller than robotics.
Automated polishing creates a mirror-like reflection. Then a clear protective film is applied before the finished body is wrapped for final assembly.
Luxury interiors blend old-world craftsmanship with new-world technology. Skilled artisans hand-wrap leather, while robots install airbags with microsecond precision.
The molded headliner is carefully positioned by the craftspeople. Multi-layer acoustic insulation is placed on the front. Interior assembly remains largely human work. Robots lack the dexterity to route
The marriage station is named for uniting body and powertrain. This 8-minute process involves 47 bolted
Adding exterior parts. Doors retrieved from storage. Each door matched to specific vehicle by VIN. Robotic lifting arms position the door. Hinges aligned precisely.
If we promise 382 horsepower, we deliver 382 horsepower, not 375, not 390. Precision matters.
Professional test drivers evaluate every vehicle. They've driven thousands and can immediately detect any abnormality.
Unit 37, confirm load secure and GPS active.
Confirmed. Rolling out now.
And this covers your 5-year warranty and roadside assistance. Congratulations, here is the key fob.
Oh, it's wonderful. Thank you so much.
We've journeyed through every stage of luxury automotive manufacturing, from steel coils stamped into body panels